Let's get ready for a night out with my Saint palette all-in-one makeup. First, I'm gonna take this shade, Walnut, and do some color correcting instead of a main foundation shade. Just gonna take away that redness. Now I'm gonna take this illuminator and bronzer and just place it everywhere. Help it glow. Okay, this blends like a dream, so just place and blend. And away you go. That is it. I might just throw a touch more. Watch this. The trick is to use this perfume illuminator right on the collarbones. I've got some bronzer on my brows. I'm gonna throw some lip and cheek shade right here. Just enough to brighten that up. Throw it on the other side. Last step, just throw in some of this same color on your lips and you're good to go. Like and follow for more easy makeup and comment below if you need this easy makeup or use the link in my... And that's it.